Hey guys, this is Lucas and welcome back to another video which will actually highlight the functionalities and the template, the features of the template that I have for sale. This template is available once again, I will tell, on Gumroad and Marketplace on both stores. It's up to you where you want to buy. There's both great stores. And in today's video, I will help you and show you how to connect your own backend to this template. And please start from the steps I will do in this video, because I have multiple different emails from multiple different people that they didn't do it this way. They just saw 4 errors in this project and they started removing the content, and obviously it will be very hard then to go back and set them up again, because if you're going to remove any of the pages that was previously built, and they are in this project, you will cause a lot of issues to this template. And obviously by removing any content, you will have a problem. So let me go through those steps, okay? They are very easy. I've put already the video on YouTube, but I will remove that one, the other one, and I will upload this one just to show you step by step in a very easy way, okay? So you make a purchase. You're gonna get the link, you copy this link, open this template in your browser, in your FlutterFlow project, and then you're doing those steps. So first of all, we need to create a Firebase project. Okay, so you can very easily navigate to your Firebase, create a project, get the Firebase project ID, etc., etc. Go back here and put it manually. Or you can use a FlutterFlow built-in manager, let's say, that will help you doing it, okay? So you click this button, and that's what I will do. It's the easiest way, it works all the time, and will help you to do not fuck up on any stage, okay? So now you have a name of the project. That will be name of the project in your Firebase too. And then you're gonna do this one here. You have to create, select the location, okay? So for example, I'm in Europe, I'm in Germany, and for me the best will be this one, Euro 3. If you're in States, you have different location for your servers, and as well for other locations. And then you have to sign in to your Google. So I just sign in with my credentials to Firebase. And now this project is creating, okay? So you don't have to do anything. You have about 3 to 5 minutes before it will be created, okay? So before this is gonna be done, let me navigate to the errors we have. Another step will be to, when this is linked to your project is created, you will need to set up your indexes, so you have to deploy all of them here, okay? Whatever is on red, except maybe delete user references. And the reason why you don't want to do that is because you have to have paid plan, I think, on Firebase before you're going to do that, okay? So anyway, if you will deploy, it will be error. So you can leave that on or off, and then when you will update your Firebase, okay, upgrade to paid plan, to Blaze plan, then you'll be able to come back here and deploy. Please do not change anything here, okay? Just leave it as it is. Don't change anything. Just come back here when it's ready and start deploying, and that's it. So let's see if this Firebase is not yet. So now let's go and navigate maybe to Algolia, because you can see we have 2 errors. So many people again will say, Lucas, I cannot create or set up, or I have a problem with this template. There's an error with Algolia and I don't know how to set up. All you need to do, just to follow the docs, okay, there's documentation, the steps provided, create your account on Algolia, create your application ID, and search API key and provide it here, okay? So for purpose of this video, I will not do that, because obviously there is plenty of different videos from different developers that already show how to do it. All I need to do right now, just to make this template work, will be, I'm gonna provide 1 and 1, and as you can see, this error should be gone. Yeah, they're gone already. Okay, so Algolia, problem solved at the minute. It will not work, so just be aware. This is only temporary. So you put it here just to make a test and play with the template. And then if you would like to use Algolia and make this app work with the search and whatever this queries and whatever, you will need to set up your Algolia account, get this application ID and search API key. Okay, let's go back here. Firebase project created. Okay, so now I have to enable authentication on Firebase. Let's navigate, get started. As you can see, the name of this template is already there. We have both. Okay, so let me go through here. You have both authentications. Okay, you have an email, which is standard, and I guess I have phone authentication too. Okay, so you have it here, user login and verification code. Okay, so you have a phone authentication. We're gonna put both of them. So email, enable, save. Okay, enabled. Add new provider, phone, enable, save. That's done. Okay, so now we're going back to our project, go back to Firebase setup, and now we have to enable storage. Okay, that's the next step. You press here, get started. Okay, we start with the test mode, Europe 3. Let's just set this up for you. So as you can see, it's very easy. You just follow the steps from the project and everything should be fine. Okay, took a moment, but you have it here. And now we're going back again. Now, regenerate configure files. Okay, test application, let's leave it as it is. You have to wait until it's finished. And again, be patient. Okay, just follow the steps that are provided in this project, so you're 100% sure you'll be able to work with this template. Okay, and now you have to deploy Firebase storage. Deploy. I'm doing this step always twice or even sometimes a couple of times just to make sure everything is up to date. I'm not sure if FlutterFlow recommend this or not, but that's what I'm doing, so I'm 100% sure that everything is set up. Now that you can see, there is only one issue with the project, so now you follow this one. And as I said, first we're gonna deploy the rules. Okay, and again, be patient. Let's wait. Now deploy. Again, I'm not going to stop the video in this process. I just want to show you that it's going to take like a few minutes. Perfect, it's done on green. Again, I will not touch this one because as far as I remember, you have to have this paid plan. But anyway, deploy, Firestore indexes. Again, we wait. Maybe next time I should put some music on the background so you're not bored. And the last one, I always do it anyway, so I will validate the status, and I always put this on, but now I validate it, so I just leave it as it is. Now you can see there is no errors. Okay, you have only 69 warnings, and those warnings actually are related to the push notifications. We have to set up your push notifications to have this function work in this template, and then you're just gonna go to each one and enable again. Okay, so let's just continue. There's no errors. We could test now. So let me press here. Now here I'm gonna stop the video just to speed up. Okay. Okay, so after a few minutes of waiting for this test session to be prepared, we are testing the app. So remember, we set up everything on green. Okay, we validated this schema, so everything is perfectly done, except this deleting user, yes? So obviously that we're leaving. And now we can create first account. So let's do it. I just want to show you here, there is no account, and in database, there's no records. Okay, so we're gonna test this. So my name is Lucas. My password will be this. Then we're gonna go with the date of birth. Obviously everything works as we wanted. Let's pick any. Now we have, you see this little loading indicator was there because we are checking on the backend, which was mentioned in this previous video, if the username already exists. So we load the data already in here. That's why it was this indicator there. So we're gonna check Lucas. I'm obviously available because there is no users created. My email will be lucas at Nah, we're not gonna play that game. Email.com. Referral code, we don't have any because there is no records, so there is no user to refer me. So I will skip it. We terms conditions. Obviously I put delay everywhere on every step because you want UI to respond, you know, once you have this data set up. I always put a couple of seconds delay, so for user experience will be like the app it's working and have some progress on it, on a process, and for UI will be easier to respond when everything is set up and just pass credential and load the data to this front end. Okay, so now we go into this backend. I will go again to here. You can see my credentials are here. And database, we have a user, so all data is there. My username, my referral code, you can see that there's both username was created and the referral code was also created. Okay, you can see that in this profile, let's say I'm going to my profile, there's no blue tick. That will be the little trick now for you, just to tell you that if you would like to verify your account, let's check in the backend first, in the schema. What's the name of that? I think it's a verified user. Users. Let's see, referral code, partner sponsor booking, or premium account maybe. Yes, premium account. Okay, so it's premium account boolean. So we're gonna go here. In this record, we just add another row. It will be premium user. That's correct. Premium account. boolean true, add, and we go into this, let's say we close, we open again, and now you can see blue tick appears. So we have a verified account, and if I'm going to quick access, you can see I have my access to the app, I have my referral card, so obviously I can show this card at the shop, so I can collect my points, which we will talk in the next videos, and I can invite friends with my referral code, which is the code to scan to download the app, and this is my referral code, which when I long press on it, it will copy to my clipboard. As you can see, my referral code is all the same, L84NS, L84NS, okay? So again, guys, thank you for watching. Again, one simple tip: when you download this template, do not remove any data. You can see that within 15 minutes, 16 minutes now, we can set up this template and will work very fine for all your needs, okay? So thank you for tuning in, and until next time.